That's nice.
Rev happy. It is nice. That's a GT350. Oh, that guy's really putting the foot down. 308. 308. With some red wheels. I'm not so sure about that. GT2 RS sitting there on the side, kind of sitting underneath the vents, I guess. Just sitting there by himself. Very nice color in the GT2.
What color is that? Coffee.
Not sure. It's an interesting looking car, interesting looking wheels. Got the MG something. A? No, that's Austin Healey actually. Austin Healey. And the Camaro. Red, white, and blue stripes.
Last year.
The Huracan Evo. It's funny now I'm only seeing Evos around. It's kind of weird.
Supra.
Oh yes, Mark IV Supra Turbo. And the GT2 RS with the red accents. In fact, you've seen that one at Supercar Sunday before. Supra. Oh, I get the NSX and the Supra at the same time. That is a nice, good timing right there from the JDM cars. X5M comp. That thing looks very powerful. So let's see. We got the 1M, which is not common, which is pretty awesome. Oh, look at that. You got the roll cage in the 911 Turbo. Very nice. Got the GT3 and the GT3 RS. Okay, wow, look at that. Look at the difference. Wow. Wow, look at that GT3 RS. Pretty cool. Got this M3. I didn't realize it was an M3. I didn't.
Nice.
But it looks awesome. I love that color. Whatever color it is. Chef. M3 Chef. ELR. That's it. That doesn't sound stock. Look at this E30. I mean E36. That is awesome. 90s. Yeah, roll cage. Woo! Got the NB Miata M2. It's like every M car today or something. The Red Bull. No, this actually doesn't say Red Bull. It's just kind of interesting. Oh, is that an E63S? Yeah. Yeah. G3 RS. And you have the Defender. The SL. 620R pulling up. That is nice. Oh, that looks mean. Is that 620R or is that just like a
620R? Look at the racing slicks.
Wow. It's got like.
Yeah, you gotta turn around. It's a good place to be though.
STI. Oh man, you got SVJ. So that's a Maserati over there, although I'm not sure what kind. And then you have Panamera, McLaren GT. R and 600 LT. McLaren GT. Wow, this thing looks sleek, doesn't it? Never really seen it in person before, but the GT, pretty nice. I got the Huracan Evo, rear wheel drive. That looks nice. Ooh, that sounds nice. And then we got the 911. Nice. Awesome color. It's a very angry looking 5 Series. Maserati back there.
Land Cruiser, look at that.
Got the 200 Land Cruiser. I think it's a special edition with like the wheels or whatever, isn't it?
Ferrari 458. Yeah.
The 356. Oh, Speciale.
The AMG.
Okay, got AMG GTS with a wing. Got a, I'm not really sure what that is, let's be honest. Huracan Evo, Corvette Z06, I guess. Another Corvette, very nice.
There's a no.
Got the Charger, Thunderbird. Wow, this Charger is a beast. Wow. Got really nice looking E30 hood up, and then you got, I think it's M4. Is that M4 GTS or is that just like M4 with a wing?
Another guy doing stuff with GoPro too.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's like a full,
shifter, huh?
yeah, it's a full-on track car, that's for sure. Roll cage and everything.
Yeah, it's a wrench, but
Speciale looks very nice. Montana, of course. Yeah.
Montana. Wow, good looking thing. Look at that. Look at the cover.
I know, it's awesome, isn't it? I got the 356. I think it looks so cute compared to that GT3 RS over there.
yeah.
It's like half the size of
I
it
think
too.
they're the same company, those two cars.
The Maserati And the 2002 Rad 2002 is nice. The 488,
There it is, Hetty.
the big wagon.
Radio wires.
Wow, okay. Look at this.
Steel braiding and everything.
Wow. Oh man, that is clean.
Nice.
Awesome color on this. Got the box flares and everything. Got the 911 Speedster in a very nice spec. Got the Pista looking very mean and black. Oh my goodness, wow.
Wow.
That looks nice. Very, very nice. Wow, those blue carbon seals look amazing with the yellow interior.
Where's the Murcielago?
Oh, and the Mercy.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, we got the slant nose 911. And then we got the GT3 RS 997 GT3. Got the Venador Roadster, I believe that is. Which looks super mean. Wow.
Got no weak seal.
The C80 Corvette looks very sharp. Hey, you got the Maybach GLS looking very sharp. Vantage.
Oh man, look at this.
Monza.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, look at this guy. Oh, look at that car. What's going on in here?
Ahaha.
Hey, what are they doing in this car?
Oh my goodness. Okay, now we got the Mercy. Wow, look at that Mercy. It looks insane. Mercy? Yeah. Got the Monza. This thing is amazing. And we got the 911. Wow.
Nice. Look at this thing. Wow.
Monza. Sorry. Wow. Oh my goodness. That would be insane. Wow.
Look at those carbon fiber panels.
Oh.
What a car.
Look at that the whole thing carbon fiber.
That is crazy.
It's funny that the panel's like all plasticky. It's kind of funny. It's funny how the panel's kind of plastic.
Yeah.
Looking at their center mirror.
Yeah. There's a little windshield there.
Yeah, tiny little one. So you got this like this air flow thing. Got the 993 Carrera, got the GT3.
Coolest thing there.
Wow, okay. I've got what 300 SL.
Oh my gosh, that's the guy. The whole thing. Look at that.
Look at the monoblock wheels on the GT63S. That's very nice. Trying to get our way in here. MC12. Wow, with the top off. How awesome is that?
Oh my god. 2005.
That's nice.
It's worth like 4 million.
Wow, look at the wing. Look at the size of that.
Wow,
I've never.
look
It's
how
like
wide this car is.
you never think about these things, but it's incredible to see them.
Wow.
Wow. That's nice. Wow. Now you got the M8 Comp. Got the GT3 RS. And is that 600 LT with the rear top exit exhaust at 300 SL. Wow. Got the Dodge. Any idea what this is? Oh my! Look at that! Look at Camaro. You got Leno. Yeah. Got Leno in the Dodge. Got the Camaro. Wow. The C8 going out there. Wow. You're 964, I think, turbo. Oh my goodness. That was a Chevy SS. That was a four-door Chevrolet sedan. You got International Scout. How cool is that? Resto mod. Got the SLS, Avanti. Look at that GT3 RS in bright yellow. That's amazing. Oh wait, you just feel it.
Feel idle. Wow.
The 360 look very nice. I'm not sure you guys can even hear me over the Camaro, but I don't know. What is? I wonder what this is based on.
No idea.
Hilarious. Wow. Wow, look at the Mercy. Oh man, gated and everything. That's an awesome spec on that car. Wait, this is RSQ8. I didn't realize this is RSQ8. It's funny, just like everything else here is so crazy.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice
488 and the 911, which I think we were over there before. Unless there's two of them. The very nice blue Corvette. Wow, look at this! Look at those tires on that thing. That's hilarious.
I don't know.
Okay, we got the 911 Turbo S, I think, and then that big old F250. Wow, that is a monster. Got the purple Taycan. Oh, is that purple? Or is that blue? I can't really tell. It's like a weird bluish purple. And then we have the SVJ. Some decals. Got the bronze wheels, which are always a nice option. Very nice. See in the back is an exhaust on this thing. It looks stock. It still looks very aggressive though. Yeah. And of course we have the Montana plate.
Oh yeah.
For sale. Hey, so if anybody wants to buy an SVJ, what of 900? One of the more insane wraps out there. You might call it a worse spec. Okay, it's E63. Wow, so it's like mint green chrome. Got some upgrade wheels. It's a pretty full-on looking thing.
Same mic.
Whoa, we got a very nice color on that Tesla. We got a massive ducktail spoiler. 356 taken off with the puppy in there. That's cute. Oh, we got the E36 taken off. That thing looks amazing. Oh no, actually he's going inside. And we got the 964. It's a very nice color in the 964. Oh, okay. Oh man, that thing is aggressive. Got the Tour van, I guess. The Huracan Evo coming out. Woo, look at that engine. That Ferrari V12. So there you got the roof intake and everything.
Wow. Look at that.
Because this was a GT1 car, you know? They had the long tail, so it's like this much bigger than the Ferrari Enzo was based off of. It's like this much bigger than the Enzo.
Wow. The Maserati made the
Yeah, it's based off the Ferrari Enzo, but basically a different body. And some other upgrades and stuff. 620R, doors up over there.
So there's a few of us. Check this out.
Got the 620R.
Yeah, you was better than
620R. It's very nice. Nice color on this Vantage. And the Ferrari. We had 4C. A nice orange on that GT4S. 720S Spider just sitting here. M4 GTS, Shelby GT500, and the Turbo S over there.
Yeah.
And we got another 911 coming in here, I think. Or is it a Boxster? That's a Boxster. Pontiac Solstice up there. A very nice casual spec on the Vantage right there. So we got 911, M4 GTS, Shelby GT500. 911 Turbo Cabrio, 911 Turbo
What do
S,
you like about a supercar?
and the C63 Black Series looks very mean. That, oh man, that thing just looks amazing. Did somebody steal the wing off of that thing? Rentec.
Oh, yeah.
The wing is missing. Maybe they just took it off, put it in the car so nobody could steal the carbon fiber. Got the Grand Sport Corvette. Oh my goodness, 190.
DTM one.
That is nice. E46 M3, look very, very nice. It was Corvette and whatever was in front of it. It's an Alpina E30 M3. 964 is taken off. Interesting color on there. I guess it's silver. It looks kind of like goldish silver and blue at the same time. It's kind of weird.
I would check that.
GTR. That was an HP. Ha ha ha.
Okay.